Hello everyone! Do you remember we learned the sounds of 4 different letters from previous lesson? Today we will learn how to write the letters and practice spelling some words using them. Prepare a marker and handwriting practice paper for the writing activity in this lesson. Are you guys ready to learn? Let's get started. Can you tell me what sound this letter makes?
M.
Great! It makes M sound. Mitten and mug start with M. Say the words twice, listening to the beginning sound carefully. Mitten, mug. Mitten, mug. Do you see a ham and a clam in this picture? Try to say ham and clam twice. Ham, clam, ham, clam. Did you hear M sound at the beginning or at the end?
At the end.
You're right. A ham and a clam end with M sound. Now, I will show you how to write this letter. Starting on the dotted line, down, hump, hump. Now, it's your turn to write the letter. Down, hump, hump. This time, say the sound while writing the letter. M. Now it's your turn to write the letter saying the sound. M. Great job! This is the next letter. What sound does this letter make?
A.
Great! It makes a sound. Arrow and ankle start with a. Say the words twice, listening to the beginning sound carefully. Arrow, ankle. Arrow, ankle. Do you see a can and a bag in this picture? Try to say a can and a bag twice. Can, bag. Can, bag. Did you hear a sound in the middle of the words? Can and a bag have a in the middle. Now, I'll show you how to write this letter. Starting at the middle of the bottom half, draw a circle and down. Now, it's your turn to write the letter. Circle, down. This time, say the sound while writing the letter. A. Now it's your turn to write the letter saying the sound. A. Great job! This is the next letter. Can you tell me what sound this letter makes? T. Great! It makes T sound. Tire and turkey start with T. Say the words twice, listening to the beginning sound carefully. Tire, turkey, tire, turkey. What do you see in this picture?
A bat and a net.
Try to say the words twice. Bat, net. Bat, net. Did you hear T sound at the beginning or at the end?
At the end.
You're right. A bat and a net end with T sound. This is how you draw the letter. Draw a long line from top to bottom and a short line across. Now, it's your turn to write the letter. A long line and a short line. This time, say the sound while writing the letter. T. Now, it's your turn to write the letter saying the sound. T. Great job! This is the last letter we learned from the previous lesson. Can you tell me what sound this letter makes?
D.
Great! It makes D sound. A desk and a dog start with D. Say the words twice, listening to the beginning sound carefully. Desk, dog. Desk, dog. Do you see bread and hand in this picture? Try to say bread and hand twice. Bread, hand. Bread, hand. Did you hear the sound at the beginning or at the end?
At the end.
You're right. Bread and hand end with the sound. Now we will learn how to write this letter. Draw a long line from the top to the bottom and draw a circle to the left. Now it's your turn to write the letter. A long line and a circle. This time, say the sound while writing the letter. D. Now it's your turn to write the letter. D. You did a great job. This is an alligator, but the first letter is missing. Can you help me find the missing letter? Let's say alligator slowly to listen to the beginning sound. Alligator. What sound does alligator start with?
Ah.
On your paper, try to write the letter that makes a sound. This is a letter for alligator. What color do you see?
Red.
Right, but the last letter is missing. Say the word slowly to find out the ending sound. Red. D is ending sound. Try to write the missing letter on your paper. This is the last letter for red. It is a fan, but the middle letter is missing. Say the word slowly to find out the middle sound. Fan. The middle sound is a. On your paper, write the letter that makes a sound. This was the missing letter for fan. You did a great job today. Keep practicing by watching this video again. The link to the worksheet for this lesson is down below. Thank you for learning and see you at the next lesson. Bye!